Everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to eject water and dry your iPhone. So first of all, keep your iPhone upright. Hold your iPhone upright so water can drain out from the speakers and charging port. Avoid shaking your iPhone too much to prevent water from spreading inside. Use a microfiber cloth. Gently tap on the iPhone on your hand to help remove water. Wipe off excess moisture with a soft lint-free cloth. Or you can use a water eject app. Open our app store and search for water eject. Download, you can search here like water eject and download any software or app, and it will eject your phone. Then download and run an app that plays a special sound frequency to push water out of the speaker. And yeah, don't forget to keep your phone upright while using the app. And there's another ways to dry your phone. Use a fan. Remember that do not use any heated fan because it can damage your iPhone. Do not use a hair dryer or any heat source as it can damage internal components. And then turn off your iPhone. Press and volume up and volume down button and click the side button. And when the screen is completely black, just switch off your phone and then restart your phone again. Wait until the restart is completed. So that's it. It may solve your problem. And if your problem is still not resolved, the final tips are: contact Apple support for a checkup, and remember, never use rice. It can leave dust inside your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you next time.